Now that I've transferred my image onto the paper using the light table or window, I tape it to the block, fold it over using my burnishing device, the wooden spoon. If you use a piece of white paper where you can see your line, then you can pinpoint it and burnish it. This is one way to do it. You can also use carbon paper, slipping the carbon paper in between this piece of paper, and trace your lines, being very careful not to press too hard because those marks will show up. So essentially what we're doing is burnishing one side for the graphite to then transfer to the wood. So there's my relative marks. Once that's done, I then go back over with a Sharpie pen identifying the marks necessary for cutting. Now we can begin to cut.